To do this example. So this example is about the duration of time from first exposure to HIV infection to AIDS diagnosis is called the incubation period. The incubation periods of a random sample of 7 HIV infected individuals is given in years. So the data is given here. So I write it as X is the data. So 12 years, 10.5, 9.5 years, and then 6.3, 13.5, 12.5, and 7.2. So you have the HIV and AIDS the incubation period for the 7 patients are available here in terms of the years. Okay, so now the question is calculate the sample mean, calculate the sample median, calculate the mode, and calculate the standard deviation. So we'll see the one by one, right? So now in the solution, question A is calculate sample mean. Okay, so the formula is very simple. Since it's a raw data, the formula is very simple. So summation x bar we call is the sample mean. Okay, so that means we are adding all this information and divided by the number of sample you have. So the sum x is 12.0 plus 10.5 plus 9.5 plus 6.3 plus 13.5 plus 12.5 plus 7.2. 12.0 plus 10.5 plus 9.5 plus 6.3 plus 13.5 plus 12.5 plus 7.2. The whole divided by 7. Okay. So if you have a calculator, you can use a calculator to add them, and those are good in calculations, and you can do it by hand. Yeah, the sum of the numerator you have 71.5, and the denominator is the sample size, which is 7. So 71.5 over 7 will give you approximately 10.21 years. So the average incubation period for the patients, the HIV patients, is 10.21 years. Sample median. So in the sample median, so what you need to do is the step 1. So arrange the data in ascending order. So that means so you have to go from the smallest number to the biggest number. That is the meaning of the ascending order. So in the data, so the smallest number is 6.3. So you write 6.3 first, and then the next number is 7.2, and the next number is 9.5, and the next number is 10.5, and the next number is 12, and the next number is 12.5, and the next number is 13.5. So all the 7 numbers I have arranged in the ascending order. So the next step, you need to use this formula, step 2. So the median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2th item. So n is the sample size plus 1 divided by 2th item. So here n is what? 7. So plus 1 divided by 2 item. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So it's 4th item. So 4th item. So that is equals to the 4th item is, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10.5. So 10.5 is your median. So you can see, as you can see that the median is much closer to the mean.